Good morning, agents. This is Mission Commander Suzanne. Welcome to week 4 of Mission Possible. Today, you will receive your 4th mission. Are you ready? This week, your mission, should you choose to accept it, will be to track the number of sustainable practices you adopt. You will begin recording the number of sustainable practices starting Sunday, October 15th through Saturday, October 21st. To successfully complete the mission for this week, your team must perform at least 16 sustainable practices. That means you and your teammates each need to average about 4 sustainable practices for the week. As you know, Assignment Earth is USC's commitment to addressing climate change, restoring our planet, and creating a more sustainable future. We can support these by taking sustainable actions, like reducing regular electricity usage, carpooling or taking public transportation in lieu of driving, saving on regular water consumption, and of course, recycling. Every action has an impact, no matter how large or small. We just have to remember to be consistent and maintain these sustainable practices within our daily lives. Let's all help sustain a healthy planet. Don't forget to enter your information into the Mission Possible online tracker. Next Friday, you will receive a new mission to complete. Good luck and go green!